And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. The police have yet to charge a woman who is believed to have preserved and kept the body of an elderly woman who died 2 years ago at her home.
In a TVJ News exclusive, the family of the deceased senior citizen is rejecting suggestions they abandoned their loved ones.
Kimberly Petty has been tracking the story.
But we can't find her for them take him away. And then give no location of which part in there. More send they are all open, we can't find him.
A distraught Hartley Distin, the brother of the elderly woman whose corpse was found in a house in Old Hope, Little London last Sunday. He gives her a name as Vitella Distin, who often goes by the name Viola, and says she is 69 years old and that he trusted his sister in the care of the women. The woman's brother has come to the defense of the family after widespread condemnation and rebuke over claims they neglected the now deceased woman.
I'm used to take care of her, And it's like, one day, my man me go out there, and he tell me, say, him didn't do a solve. He crumble and he reach a solve on his stick by taking taxi and things like that. So he tell me, say, he sit down in the sun, they beg. So by so doing, while sit down in the sun, they beg, he see two ladies. And he beg them. And I ask him, say, why name? Make he sit down here, so.
He explained that the two women started caring for his sister at her home in Good Hope, Little London, but because of the distance, Miss Distin moved in with them in Old Hope District. He further told TVJ News that one of his sisters ran into the women sometime in 2023 and questioned them about the arrangements. She was, however, told their spirit and hers do not get along.
He said, well, then in a good hands. So I say, all right, be in a good hands. Look at him, go on with him. But I say, which part of Old Hope he live? And he say, me nothing know. None of the family them. Nothing know. I say, how you mean say nothing know? How you nothing know? He said, when we're ready, we tell you. I say, all right, good. And go away. I mean, they call her phone. Me nah get it, then take with the phone from her. So we can't get no contact with her to know which part she there.
He said he saw the woman once more in December 2024 and...
He said the spirit say, tell him say, nobody in the family of his see him until wedding start walk again. She go look for them.
The woman's niece who spoke off camera also came in defense of the family.
She was never abandoned by us. She abandoned us. She chose to leave us.
She said she last saw her aunt in 2023 when she tried taking her home from the Negril clinic, but her aunt refused to leave with her. She further insisted that several attempts were made after to locate her, but to no avail.
Reporting her missing, the police officer that we spoke to said that to the fact that we haven't seen her for so long, we have to find out first the last place she has been and then come back to them.
Seemingly distressed, she said, having heard of what happened to her aunt.
It was disbelief at first. Shock, yes. Trying to make sense of what I'm seeing and hearing. It's still in limbo. Putting the pieces together, it's a hard task, and we're trying to make sense of what we have seen and heard.
Residents also expressed disbelief.
Man, sad man. Real sad. 2 years. Imagine that, man.
We just can't believe it's this life. They always ask for her, and it's like she already her daughter obviously she not here for her. Just that.
Her neighbor said they last saw her 4 years ago.
I was shocked because I know her. She's not the person who would, talk, but she would pass her, she say hi, and she got to work. She was always working until she took sick.
The family says they intend to cremate Miss Distin's remains before holding a memorial service in her honor. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
In other news, a skilled professional